Welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. If you're interested in seeing how this vibrant piece was created, watch the rest of this video. With these amazing pigments and a pop of colour, you too can create an explosion of positive energy with your leftovers and of course a touch of glitter. Thanks for watching. Sit back, relax, enjoy as you watch me create. Hi, so I showed you this delightful little piece. Don't worry about my nipples, I've still got to get those off. But I showed you this piece that was created with my leftovers, and that is part of a collaboration that I'm doing on a video coming up. However, the colours that I used in this with my leftover was the Rezin Artze Luster Pigments, and that is the Purple Sapphire, the Rezin Artze Luster Pigment, Blue Moon, the Colour Cottage Pigment, which is the Bluebird Blue, the Rezin Artze Luster Pigment, Emerald City, the Colour Cottage Dandelion Yellow, Le'Rez Brightest Orange, and Casting Craft Red. I am going to love you and leave you and let you watch the process. Remember, thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome, and I hope you're having a creative day, and wherever you are, be kind. Hi, it's Sharon. I'm going to try and give you some commentary now as I go through this. Firstly, I would like to apologise that my cup and my hand keep getting in place of this, and in some ways I don't apologise, but in some ways I do. I apologise because it could spoil your viewing, but I'm using my leftovers and time is of the essence. I've just been working on a big project which is underneath, hiding away there, curing nicely, and my resin was curing. I mean, it probably doesn't do it justice here, but it was getting like treacle, so I just needed to apply my resin into areas where I thought would complement the colours. So what you will see is me scraping the cups and trying to get every last bit of colour out there to try and make sure it's represented and to try and make sure it balances and helps with that pop. So other than that, I get my torch out to get rid of those bubbles, and I use my heat gun, and the heat gun is just a beautiful thing sometimes because it just melts those colours together and creates its own little magic. So other than the placement of colours and the colours that I chose, the actual pigments are the hero of this product, and all I would say is don't throw away those last bits of resin. See what you can create. Sometimes when you've got that time pressure of just slapping it on your board, some of those amazing things can work, and I really love this piece. I'm definitely going to work with this colour scheme because I just feel so positive when working with these, and you know me, I'm Sharon, I digress, but I also love that pop of colour. You'll also see me come in with a tiny little bit of glitter. Now glitter's just an optional thing. I'm just going through my glitter phase. You may not want to do that, so it's totally up to yourself. So I would love to hear about or see photos of pieces that you've used with your leftovers. And it's never what am I trying to say, that always have a silicone mold or always have a spare small canvas nearby so that you can create some pieces. So I'm Sharon, I'm digressing. I'm going to leave you to relax now. If you've got any questions, feel free, but if you've never worked with resin before, I've got plenty of tutorial videos that'll talk you through what I'm using and why. Just remember to level that board. And people have asked me, is it important to wear gloves and respirator? I'm always going to say yes. Safety first. Protect your skin. You don't want to create any eczema or absorb any of that. And when you're heating up this epoxy resin, remember it is a plastic form, so the minute you add heat to it, the more you're going to add those fumes, and you want to protect your lungs and your brain. So I'm always going to say yes. Follow the manufacturer's instructions. Be in a well ventilated area. Think about how you can reuse and recycle. The pirate cups I'm using there, Neil found some in one of his old boxes from his previous life, so I'm just going to reuse those and get as much out of those. So pirates ahoy there. Anyway, I'm babbling. You don't need to hear me babble. Enjoy. I'll see you on the next video, and remember, thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. Hi, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. This has now cured. It still needs to cure for another day, but these were the leftover pigments that I used from a big project that I'm working on for a wonderful collaboration with a gifted person. So watch this space for the coming video. And this just goes to show you, never give up with your pigments. When they are curing or setting, plop them on a piece of canvas, don't let it go to waste. Blend them together and see what magic arises. So I love this piece. I love the vibrancy. I do love some of these colours and textures. I add that little bit of glitter, so in the sun you'll see me showing you what it looks like in the sun, and I think it is angelic. I don't know where it's meant to be. You can tell me what you see in this, but I just see an amazing pop of colour that's just yummalicious. But thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome. I will see you on the next video. Look out for my collaboration coming up, and let me know what you do with your leftovers. Have a nice, have a lovely day, and I'll see you on the next video.